a first date, I would probably style my hair pretty voluminous.
Okay, on the first date, I would do.
I personally prefer to be natural.
Well, I'm really not trying to necessarily impress him because I want to, be myself. So we're gonna do a natural look. Just gonna be my natural curl pattern. It's gonna be half up, half down, and I'm ready to go.
Can I say it again?
Depends, but I don't really have much of a hairstyle.
Definitely a high pony for a busy day.
Because I have a lot of hair and it's quite voluminous, so yeah, on a busy day I would just put my hair up and have it out of my way and focus on what I have to do.
I definitely go to just a natural, all down, big, lion, round. That's my look.
I'd say my favorite hair trend has to be braids, and more braids.
I'm very happy that the big hair is coming back. It's more about volume now, which I prefer, and yeah, I think it's just way more exciting.
Can I answer by one that I don't like? I really don't like what the footballers are doing with their hair.
To not put a lot of heat on your hair when you have curly hair.
Less is more, so if you find your personal favorite hair product, just don't overuse it and keep it simple.
But for curly hair, you have to be super extra careful because sometimes you won't get the natural curl pattern back. So definitely heat protectant and oil. Is that wrong?
Maybe it's just natural too, but I would love to be able to do this every day.
I would personally keep my hair down and free and just don't do anything with it because I love dancing and I love to go wild.
I normally will rock my natural big hair. Honestly, it's low maintenance. I just wash and go and let it be free.